It's very important to upskill and educate yourself because you can never stop learning. So basically I wanted to add another service to my business that I had regular clients. I wanted to go to the best training because I had already started a business in makeup and I had built a good name for myself. What was amazing about the lash course is that I got that business guidance and also knowing my worth as a lash stylist. Having Joy was amazing because she's just such a gentle teacher in the way that she guides you. If you have some time when you find it really difficult, she's there to help you and just reassure you. I love seeing a woman love herself, and that's why I do it.